Stay off the grid and live free from rising energy costs. Stop relying on solar panels. Stop using noisy generators. Did you know a simple device can create endless electricity? It uses nothing but the forces God placed around us. You do not need fuel, sunlight, or wind. It is a small setup that pulls energy from the air and ground. I know that sounds hard to believe, but remember, in Job 37:5, it says, God thunders marvelously with his voice. He does great things which we cannot comprehend. This is truly one of those great things. For decades, only the military and select scientists knew about this. Now it is reaching regular people like us. I saw it when a retired engineer showed me his cabin. He was a man who served this country faithfully. He powered his entire home with a device smaller than a toolbox. There was no gas, no noise, and no smoke. It was just clean power pulled from the magnetic field of the earth itself. He smiled and said, God gave us everything we need. We simply forgot how to use it over the years. You feel the urge to prepare for hard times? This is for you. Prepare for blackouts, storms, and general uncertainty. Experts agree that those who generate their own power will have a major advantage. This will be important in the coming years. Remember, Luke 21:25 says there will be distress of nations. There will be perplexity and the sea waves roaring. The world is changing, and the wires are getting ready. This small invention can run your lights. It can keep your freezer cold and charge your devices. You will not depend on anyone else. It is lightweight and easy to build. My nephew put one together in a weekend. You do not need technical skills. Just follow the guide and watch it come alive. Tap the Watch Now button to see it. Check the link before it is taken down. Big energy companies are not thrilled. But cuts into their control and profits. This could be the blessing that keeps your family safe and warm. It is a reliable way to get free power forever.